Hello, this is Ankit Alex Hansda. We are 15 CS258, and I'm making this video to explain about the program that I've made for the 8 experiment of C++ programming. So the aim of this program is to use pointers and virtual function to get a list of numbers in an array and find the average of those numbers. So for doing this program, first of all, I have included the required header files. Then I've initialized array. It will store the numbers which is inputted by the user. Next, I have defined class number. This is the base class, which will be further inherited by child classes that we will make later. It has a main function void get data. It is to get input get input uh, get input from the user and store those data into the array. Next are these virtual functions. These I will call later. So since these are to be initialized in the base functions, I have initialized it here. Next is class ever. This is class. I made this class to find the average and display the list and the average. And since it's inheriting from number, I'm inheriting with the scope specified as public. Inside this, I have data members as average. This will store the average of the numbers in the list, and int n. This is the size of the array. First is get val. This function is to get the elements. Call the get data function on the main class and get the data from the user and store it into array. Next is calculation. Void calc. This is to find the average of the numbers in the list and print it. As we are next is the main function. In main function, I will be using pointer, and by these functions we will call the get val and calc from the object of numbers. So as you see, so this is the basic of the program that I have made. Now let's try running it. First, let bit be 5. I have so we have entered 5 elements and it prints the average the average of these numbers. So as you can see, we have successfully implemented our program. Thank you.